Here on our 7th church, it's sa Abbey of Our Lady of Concetta, which is also the shrine of the Santo Niño de San Beda. This actually is part of San Beda College. Nandito siya sa Menjola. And on your left side, there is actually the adoration. So far, this is actually one of the best churches I've ever seen. And dito syempre puno ng tao, as always. And we're off now to our next church sa San Sebastian. So, abangan nyo, ang dami ng tao. At habang paggabi ng paggabi, marami pa akong share sa inyo. And again, have a blessed Holy Week.